Okay, any advice on how to make 3D looking offset for the outside of a letter? I use VCarve Pro. I'm using CorelDRAW, but the steps are pretty straightforward. This is about 8 inches tall, so I'm going to offset to the outside about 0.09. Then I'm going to offset to the outside about 0.27. Then I'm going to nudge that down and to the right. And then I'm going to fillet these corners here and these three 0.05 radius. And then this is a little bit too round, so I'm going to adjust that node a little bit. And that should do it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.